Okay, welcome back to question 6 in section 6.2, finding the volume using the washer and the disk methods. Here we have a region between three functions. I already sketched it just to save the time. Between y equal x cube, x equal to 1, and y equal to 0, we get this region up here. And now the rotation is around the line y equal -2. If you remember, if we have a line y equal to some constant number, that line will be a horizontal line at that number. So it's -2. Let's say this is -2. This is y equal -2. And now we need to find the volume. So we need to find R out and we need to find Rn. So two things to be done and to be found here. Let me start finding them. R out, we take an arrow from the region to the maximum I can go. This is, we call it R out. And that will be top minus bottom. And the top of this line, if you can see here, is the blue function, which is x cube. And the bottom, as you can see here, is the red function, which is -2. So this would be -2. So be careful. This is negative from the formula, and this is -2 because of the line is -2. Now we have to do the same thing for the Rn. So we have top minus bottom. The top function is, if we draw it here, sorry, we should do it in red. This is Rn, or inner function. The top function is this one, which is y equal to 0. And the bottom function would be the same as before, which is -2. Now, if we move my R out maximum to the right, I will end up at 1. And if I move it maximum to the left, I will end up at 0. So this is from 0 into 1. And that's the formula that's the answer. Of course, you can simplify it. And please simplify it and do it and tell me the answers in the comments.